Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook soft scrambled eggs. To begin, crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl. Add a small pinch of salt and a splash of milk or cream, then whisk them gently until just combined. Next, place a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and melt about 1 tablespoon of butter. This initial preparation is key for achieving that wonderfully creamy texture we are aiming for. Once your butter is melted and shimmering, pour the egg mixture into the pan. Let it sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the edges to just begin to set. Now, using a rubber spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center of the pan. As you do this, tilt the pan slightly to let the uncooked egg flow underneath. This slow, gentle folding is crucial for creating those beautiful, soft curds. Keep folding the eggs gently until they are mostly set but still look slightly wet and glossy. This is the most important step for achieving that signature soft texture. Immediately remove the pan from the heat at this point. The residual heat from the pan will continue to cook the eggs to a perfect, creamy consistency. Remember, soft scrambled eggs should never be dry or rubbery, so err on the side of undercooking them slightly. Once off the heat, you can stir in some optional additions like 1 tablespoon of fresh chives or a sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper. These small touches can elevate the flavor beautifully. Serve your perfectly soft and creamy scrambled eggs immediately. They are fantastic on a slice of warm toast, alongside some fresh avocado, or as part of a larger breakfast spread. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.